Right.
We in, baby. We in, baby.
You don't like that background.
Oh, crap.
Y'all, welcome back to Auto Salvage, Outlaws. Well, I got my brakes and two of my wheels on. These is going to be my front wheels. I just put them on the passenger side to give y'all a look at what it's going to look like. These had 14s on it. Now they got 15s, and the fender walls still look like they small tires. So I guess I'll go up to a 205 or a 225 15. The whole car cleaned out pretty good. We'll walk over here and I'll show you the what I'm doing now. Finishing up the brakes today. I'm on the driver's side now. Gotta take the old brake line off. Already got disconnected, got little rusty clips. I gotta replace both of those and the Carter pins on both of them. So y'all don't let me forget the Carter pins on the rotors. But yeah, the old car's gonna look pretty decent. Still doing some stuff on the inside. But it don't smell like rat crap no more. So we still gotta take the back seat out, clean it, and then the back panels off. And then I'll clean them, and then the headliners, I'll come on out of there then. But that's be on another video, because I'm just basically getting the brakes on it and fix to start putting the motor back together. I got the last hub and already done soaked it. Fix to clean it up and stick it on the back. That turned out pretty clean, pretty good. I'm kind of glad I got all that done. Sometimes it's a pain in the butt, but those won't do bad. That's what we're gonna do right now. And I'm debating on whether to put bucket seats in it. Yeah, I got a bunch of stuff out. My tools got wet between moving, and I got them laying out, and I gotta clean all them up. But I'm debating on whether just find me 2 bucket seats to go in the front, because that's a heavy freaking seat. I guarantee you that thing's gotta weigh about 65 pounds. So that's what I'm debating on. It come pretty decent clean. So I'll wind up probably leaving the back seat out to give us more room going to No Name Nationals for tools and extra set of tires, cooler and our tent and stuff like that. So that's what I'm thinking, but you never know. I might wind up putting it back in there. But that's where we at right now. Well, took the tag off today. Now the take down list is going on the tag. That's what we're gonna call this, a takedown. Gives it the 50 drag strip look, don't it? Chrome wheels on the front, Stillies on the back. I'm actually 100% old fashioned. Stillies on the back, chrome wheels on the front. Actually, these will come off when I get the right size tires. And then these right here will be my burnout tires on the back that's on there now. Or we could use them for burnout tires. So, one or two. So, got the brakes done. All I like is bleeding them. And I guess we'll do that tomorrow. And then we'll get ready to start thinking about the power plant. LS swap? Could be. 302? Could be. 351. I like the ring of that. We'll see what goes in it. I will not tell nobody until after I got it done. So, hit that subscribe button down below, ring that bell, and look out for takedown. Takedown's coming to No Name Nationals 2023.